Changing your primary email on Interactive Brokers is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Interactive Brokers website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This can typically be found in the main menu or under your account profile. Step 3. Select email preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use AirStroke to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your primary email. Locate the field for your primary email address. Enter your new email address and ensure it is entered correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, look for a Save or Update button. Click this to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is set as primary. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your inbox and follow any additional instructions if required.